Hello, this is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing with Lifestyle Changes. We're going to look today at 9 miracles your body performs while you sleep. Never think that sleep is a waste of time. Your body performs many physiological processes, or what I call miracles, that are vital for your health while you sleep. Our bodies were created by God to move during the day, but to rest from the day's work and recuperate at night. The sunlight during the day helps to awaken us, and it keeps us alert while it is out and moving across the sky. But until recently, people's circadian rhythms or sleep-wake cycles were regulated by the rising and setting of the sun. You see, the sun helps us, as I said, to awaken. But when nighttime arrives, our bodies begin to prepare for these many miracles, which normally happen during darkness. It's the invention of the light bulb, according to many scientists, that has caused many people to have a disrupted sleep cycle. According to Dr. Russell Foster, a British sleep expert, 33% of us are not getting enough sleep. And unfortunately, 59% of all cancer patients struggle with insomnia due to anxiety and many of the treatments. Dr. Daniel Amen, a psychiatrist and brain expert, says this: adequate sleep turns on 700, you heard that, 700 health-promoting genes in the human body. I don't know about you, but I don't want to miss out on any of those health-promoting genes, or what I call miracles. So here are 9 miracles your body performs while you sleep. Even though you are in Never Never Land and not aware, your body does the following miracles. Number 1, it processes memories and information. According to Dr. Michael Bruce, the sleep doctor, these things happen when we lose one night's sleep. Number 1, reaction time slows down. Number 2, our emotions get out of control. We know about that. And number 3, our thinking slows down. As an educator, I learned that REM, or REM sleep, is when our short-term memory moves into long-term memory storage, and we all need that. Now, on top of that, Dr. Matthew Walker, a professor of neuroscience and psychology at the University of California, Berkeley, says this: a lack of sleep will actually prevent your brain from making and creating new memories. So we can't allow that to happen. Number 2, while you sleep, your body disposes of toxins and waste. When you are sleeping, your brain is not, I repeat, not dormant. Your brain is actively involved in detoxing and repairing itself. According to Harvard Health, the brain has a waste management system. Did you hear that? And it's called the glymphatic system. This series of tubes carries fresh fluid into the brain, mixes the fresh fluid with waste from brain cells, including beta amyloid proteins or plaques linked to Alzheimer's disease, and then it flushes the waste out of the brain and into the blood, where the blood carries it to be disposed of. During deep sleep, your body repairs muscles, organs, and other cells, and it also releases chemicals to strengthen your immune system. While you sleep, number 3, your body regulates these brain chemicals involved in sleep, mood, and the ability to pay attention. Yes, sleep plays a crucial role in regulating brain chemicals, including neurotransmitters and hormones. These chemicals affect our sleep-wake cycles and enhance overall brain function. You've heard of some of these. Serotonin and dopamine are 2 neurotransmitters which affect our mood and are regulated through deep sleep. So, deep sleep is one of the first things you should look at when dealing with depression and other mood disorders. And my video on 8 natural ways to fight depression will be referenced in the show notes below and is not to be missed. According to Harvard Health, when people are sleep deprived, their ability to pay attention, as we say in sign language, and concentrate simply declines. This is why many pediatricians today are reluctant, and some even refusing, to prescribe ADHD medication to children until they are sure that sleep is not one of the issues causing the inability to pay attention. And how about this? Did you know that a person who has not slept for several days has the same symptoms as someone who's had too much alcohol to drink? So don't make your friends and family wonder whether you've been drinking too much. I hope you appreciate my humor there. Number 4, while you sleep, your body reduces cortisol levels, or stress levels, and blood pressure. Adequate sleep is vital for regulating cortisol levels and blood pressure. Cortisol levels normally peak in the morning and decline throughout the day, but insufficient sleep disrupts this rhythm, which can lead to higher cortisol levels in the evening. And then that makes it hard for you to go to sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body releases cortisol, which leads to increased heart rate and increased blood pressure. This is why sleep deprivation leads to higher cortisol levels and blood pressure, which over time can lead to cardiovascular disease. According to the famous Mayo Clinic, the less you sleep, the higher your blood pressure may go. When you sleep, your heart rate slows down and your heart and blood vessels are repaired. The lowering of blood pressure during sleep is a normal part of our body's self-healing mechanisms that we can praise God for. Number 5, when you sleep, your body increases melatonin. And melatonin levels naturally rise in the evening in response to darkness and peak during deep sleep, playing a crucial role in regulating sleep and circadian rhythms. This hormone, produced in the pineal gland, plays a significant role in our immune system. And it is a powerful disease and cancer fighter. Did you hear that? It's a powerful disease and cancer fighter. Melatonin exerts its anti-cancer functions during tumor initiation, promotion, and progression by targeting various signaling pathways. So this increase in melatonin is a necessary must for all people on a regular basis, but especially for cancer patients. Number 6, while you sleep, your body boosts your immune system. Deep sleep plays this crucial role in strengthening each one of our immune systems and detecting and killing cancer cells on a daily basis. Studies show that sleep deprivation can suppress immune cells and interfere with their cancer-killing capabilities. According to Dr. Michael Bruce, the more sleep-deprived you are, the more cancer cells multiply. Think about that. He also believes that sleep affects every organ system and every disease state in the body. And I totally agree with him. Dr. Matthew Walker warns us that after just one night's sleep, where you just get a few hours of sleep, there is a 70% reduction in anti-cancer lymphocytes, which are called natural killer cells. Number 7, while you sleep, your body repairs, regenerates, and restores itself. Sleep allows the body to repair and replenish cellular components that become depleted during the day. Your body also uses less energy during sleep because you're not eating, and this allows your cells to restore and resupply energy levels for the next day. During sleep, your body cycles through 4 different stages of sleep, and each of these stages contribute to different restorative processes, according to the Cleveland Clinic. Deep sleep, or NREM Stage 3 sleep, is the deepest and most restorative stage of sleep. It's where the body repairs the tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens our all-important immune system. There's no better time for your body to repair and regenerate than while you sleep. Number 8, while you sleep, your body burns calories and it controls hunger. Most of your calorie burning takes place during REM sleep, but on average, believe it or not, you burn about 50 calories per hour of sleep. Never forget that your body performs many miracles while you are sleeping. But have you ever noticed how hungry you are when you are sleep deprived? I certainly have. That's because a lack of sleep elevates ghrelin and suppresses leptin, which both lead to weight gain and greater feelings of hunger. There's no doubt that insufficient sleep leads to increased hunger and cravings, while sufficient sleep creates a balance of appetite and satiation. And last but not least, while you sleep, your body slows aging. Yes, put me down for that one. And why would this be? It's because sleep deprivation disrupts the hormonal balance and it accelerates cellular aging. It's this hormonal balance which is crucial for maintaining healthy aging processes. Research indicates that individuals who get good quality sleep on a regular basis show fewer signs of aging and actually live longer. You heard that. It increases longevity. Some people call this turning back your biological clock. And my video on this will be referenced in the show notes below because sleep is a key to turning it back. Sleep is clearly a restorative process that allows the body to process information, detox and repair, and restore energy levels, metabolism, blood sugar, and blood pressure. Most of all, it's free. It may take some time, but it won't cost you a dime. It's the single most important activity that we do for our health each day. We tend to overlook that the cure to many of our ailments might be as close as our own pillow. And the deeper you sleep, the more your body works to heal itself. I hope this information has been helpful for you. I do hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, and click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until next time, use your pillow. It's free. Use the gift that God has given us in deep sleep to heal and repair your body on a regular basis. And it just makes you so grateful that God has created our bodies with all these self-healing mechanisms, but realize that most of them don't work unless you engage in deep and restorative sleep each night. So here's to your good health, and it's as close as your pillow. And may God bless. Oh.